أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي اے میرے رب میرا سینہ میرے لیے کھول دے اور میرے کام کو مجھ پر آسان کر دے اور میری زبان کی گرہ بھی کھول دے تاکہ لوگ میری اچھی طرح بات سمجھ سکیں. I have started the solution of O-level papers. My channel name is Zafir Maths. My contact number is 0302892998. You can contact on my number. Now I'm going to start question number part number 2. Tara takes one of the 10 cards at random that she can choose any card, note the number she has noted the number and replace it. Work out the probability that both cards are multiple of 4. Multiple of 4 means we have to choose from these cards which are multiple of 4. 1 is not multiple of 4, 2 is not multiple of 4, 3 is not multiple of 4, 4 is multiple of 4, 5 is not multiple of 4, 6 is not multiple of 4, 7 is not a multiple of 4, 8 is multiple of 4, 9 is not a multiple of 4, and 10 is not a multiple of 4. So multiple of 4 are 4 and 8. These are two cards which are multiple of 4. We will write the set. The multiple of 4 is equal to B. We can write the set name as A, B, C, any number, any letter. Multiple of 4 are 4 and 8. These are two cards. Probability of B will be N of B is equal to 2 and divided by number of sample space. Number of sample space is equal to 10. So probability of B is equal to 2 by 10. This is the probability of 4 card. As our requirement is both card of multiple of 4, first card is multiple of 4 and second card is also a multiple of 4. So probability of B is equal to 2 by 10, which is probability of multiple of 4. 2 by 10 is the value probability of B. Will put in place of probability of B. 2 by 10 and 2 by 10 multiply these two numbers. 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4, 10 multiplied by 10 is equal to 100. If you simplify it, the answer will be 1 by 25. This is the probability of both cards are multiple of 4.